I have been dying to build this book nook by Joohour. It's their brand new release, The Falling Library, and it has all of the Alice in Wonderland vibes. Let's check out what's inside. They always have the neatest packaging. I love the way their directions highlight the step you're on in color to highlight exactly where you are in the build. It's less distracting. Lots of book stickers. This is going to be a lot of work, but I love it. It really makes you feel like you had a hand in building it. Mirrors and your dust cover. That glue, I love that glue. They always package their lights so nicely. They're protected in that little box. Believe it or not, it makes a difference. And the battery box and the emery board and the touch sensor. Let's test, test, test. Always test your lights. I really love this little sconce. They always throw in the neatest light details. These are our wooden pieces. Joohour always has very brilliant, bright printing and high quality wood. First step, here's my supervisor in the background. Wait, Leo says, yes, mother, you may continue. Thank you, supervisor. Still going. It was so fun seeing all these layers come together. Oh, here's another supervisor. Hi, Sebastian. I love the details. Amazing. And the final finished product. These are just some of my Alice's Adventures in Wonderland books. And look how cool this looks. Yeah, I know that's very eloquent. The mirrors give it this just infinite effect, much like Alice falling down the rabbit hole. I couldn't have asked for better details. They just have the most top-notch sets, the highest quality. Thank you, Joohour. I love this set.